I'm doing a review question with third period for the stats unit test review. If we're going to rationalize and simplify, remember to rationalize you have to multiply by a fancy form of 1. I'm going to put fancy form right there to remember it. But the fancy form of 1 is based on your denominator. So we're going to multiply by the conjugate of that value, which is 7 minus rad 11. You just change this middle sign. But this has to be a fancy form of 1. So what do you multiply on the bottom? You have to multiply on the top. Now we're going to do FOIL or double distribution, whichever one you like calling it. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times negative rad 11 is negative 4 rad 11. Constant times a radical is just a constant times a radical. And then minus 7 rad 11. And then rad 11 times rad 11 is plus, because they're both negative, rad 121. And then down on the bottom here, it's going to be 49 minus 7 rad 11 plus 7 rad 11 minus rad 121. So you need to write all that stuff out to get full mastery. Now let's combine some like terms. So that's 28. What's negative 4 minus 7? Remember, we're just adding and subtracting the coefficients. That's minus 11, rad 11. Hey everybody, what's the square root of 121? 11. It is 11. I don't know if you guys could hear that. There's a lot of 11s on the board there. What happens, boys and girls, between these two terms right here? Somebody say, they cancel. They cancel out, which is why we're multiplying by the conjugate. And we're not quite done yet. We have 49. What's the square root of 121? 11. So it's 49 minus 11. Are we done? No. Are we done? No. What's 28 plus 11? 39 minus 11 rad 11 over what's 49 minus 11? 38. And I don't think there's any more canceling that can be done there, so that's it. Whoop, whoop. Let me see if I can stop this video now.